Hi there. So in this video we are going to take a look at two Selenium IDE commands. First is verify element not present and then wait for element not present. So I have this google.com homepage here and I'm going to check this input box for ID called, let's say, text1, but you can find out ID of this text box is something different. So we want this test to fail, and then we make use of verify element not present and wait for element not present commands. So we have to check that this input ID name is different, then test will pass. So if we use the correct ID name here, then test will fail. So let's find out. First thing, open Selenium IDE by simply pressing Ctrl+Shift+S on your Firefox. Now, inside the table, insert new command, type in open, and then type the name of the website that you want to access, which is google.com. Okay, then add new command here. Let's say you want to use verify element not present. Okay, so select and then use /input, then inside square bracket use @ID equals to text1. Okay, so you won't find that by clicking on this button find. That means our verify element not present test will pass. But if you use, let's say, lst-ib, okay, then perhaps test will pass. And you can see this is with highlighting that input box. So let's fail this test so that our command of verify element not present will return true. Okay, now once your test case is saved, simply run the test suite. Pay attention here, you'll find 1 run and 0 failure. Check the logs and here you will find that locator not found, input ID text1. Okay, so that is missing and our test case is pass. So verify element not present passes our test. However, if we put the right text here, which is lst-ib ID of this input box on google.com, then it will fail the test because verify element not present will return false. Okay, as you can see, failed, test case failed, error true, our element is found over there. Okay, similarly you can also use wait for element not present. So simply type in wait for element not present, and here you can use text1 as well. So you won't find that. Run the test suite and you will find that your test case will pass. Okay, as you can see the logs, test case is passed. Now you can change this to the right ID, which is lst-ib, and run the test suite again, and this time it will create an error. Okay, it is in the loop right now, but you can guess that it is trying to find that ID and it will wait. So as you can see, it will remain in that loop because our ID exists. Okay, so whenever you are trying to find particular element, you can use commands like verify element not present, verify the absence of certain id names and presence of certain elements. Okay, so you use two commands, verify element not present and wait for element not present. However, in case of wait for element not present, such test cases are useful only when you have some time delay in between your, let's say, form or similar the application. In such cases, you can use wait for element not present to check the page changes when you fill out the forms or so. Okay, so now you know how to use verify element not present and wait for element not present.